making the most of every opportunity, mastering the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unpack a very popular English phrase, make the most of it. Understanding this phrase is not just about adding to your vocabulary. It's about embracing a mindset that can significantly impact your daily life and learning journey. So, let's get started and explore how to make the most of this lesson. Make the most of it is a phrase that encourages us to take full advantage of the situation we're in, regardless of whether it's good or bad. It means to use all the available resources, opportunities, or time as effectively as possible. This phrase embodies a positive outlook, urging us to find value and gain the best possible outcome from our current circumstances. This phrase is incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of contexts. Whether you're talking about making the most of a sunny day, a learning opportunity, or even a challenging situation, make the most of it fits perfectly. Here are some examples. The weather is great today. Let's make the most of it and go for a hike. You've got a free afternoon? Make the most of it and relax or catch up on your reading. This workshop is a rare opportunity. Make the most of it and learn as much as you can. The phrase also holds a significant cultural value in English-speaking countries. It reflects a proactive and optimistic attitude towards life. English speakers often use this phrase to encourage others, or themselves, to stay positive and proactive, especially in challenging times. It's a way of saying that every moment has potential value, and it's up to us to unlock it. 1. Embrace every learning opportunity. Whether it's practicing speaking, listening, or writing, use every chance you get to improve. 2. Stay positive. Language learning comes with its ups and downs. Use the phrase, make the most of it, as a mantra to stay motivated. 3. Be proactive. Seek out new learning materials, converse with native speakers, and immerse yourself in the language as much as possible. We hope this video has not only helped you understand the phrase, make the most of it, but also inspired you to apply this valuable principle in your language learning journey and everyday life. Remember, every situation holds an opportunity. It's all about how we choose to approach it. Keep practicing, stay optimistic, and you'll make the most of your English learning experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.